I would love to know what kind of weed this is that is taking over our grass. I know part of the problem is Creeping Charlie, but I don't know what the weed in the middle is. I know we need a weed killer of some sort. What is this rascal weed? I like that, rascal weed.
Yeah.
All right. Anybody want to jump out there? Anybody think they know what that rascal?
Yeah, I know what it is.
What is it?
It is a Fleabane.
Ah, that's Fleabane.
Yeah, Erigeron is the genus. And yeah, they're coming up now and doing their little thing. And this, kind of in our part of the world, they're more biennial, you know. But they're pretty wildflowers.
They
but,
are
you know,
pretty
they can,
late yellow blooming.
Yeah.
Pollinators like them?
Yeah,
so
yeah.
they're pretty
Yep.
good.
And they grow a lot on the roadsides. They have this pretty white, you know, daisy-looking flower with a yellow center. And but in your yard, if you don't like them, you know, they're really easy to hoe up or pull up.
Just pull them up.
Yeah, they are real easy to pull up.
Yeah.
I mean, I've got them in flower beds, and I've tried to kind of thin them out a little bit. Because they're coming up this time of year, you know, doing their little rosette.
Right.
So
the basil rosette.
that's what it is. It's a Fleabane.
It is a Fleabane.
Erigeron, yeah.
You like that, Mr. D?
There are some, yeah, and some of these Fleabane are resistant to glyphosate.
Oh, really? So yeah, get the hoe.
Some of them aren't. But I would think the 2,4-D combinations, we'd be gone. 2,4-D, MCPA, and dicamba
right.
combinations you'd ought to get Creeping Charlie too.
Yeah,
while he's at it.
Yeah, because the Creeping Charlie looks very good, didn't it?
Kill all the weeds, you don't have any grass though. It's the way my yard would be.
Mine too. I live out in the woods and I don't have any grass. The army, what little I had, the army worms have got this side.
So they got that up. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.